Hello SAT takers, this is Ate Rhea and today we are gonna solve this SAT math problem. In the figure, RT is equal to TU. So let's mark the figure. RT is equal to TU. The measure of angle VST is 29 degrees. So nandito yung angle VST, 29 degrees. And the measure of angle RVS dito is 41 degrees. What is the value of x? Okay, so let's start here. Nakikita naman natin na straight line siya. And we know na straight lines are 180 degrees. So, pwede nating sabihin na itong angle na to, or yung angle UVS, ay 180 minus 41 degrees, or 139 degrees. Now, let's redraw yung isang triangle. Okay, so ito yung triangle USV. So dito, 139 siya. Hindi ito right angle, medyo pangit lang yung pagkakadrawing. Ito, 29 degrees siya. And ito na lang yung kulang na side. Now, alam naman natin na the interior angles of triangles add up to 180. So, para makuha natin itong missing na value na to, we just need to add 139 with 29. That's gonna be 168. And, isusubtract natin to from 180. So, 180 minus 168, that is 12. Okay. So, we can also write that here. Itong angle na to ay 12 degrees. Now, yung triangle naman na UTR, makikita natin na yung TU and yung RT, kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, equal siya. So, isosceles triangle to, and it follows na itong angle dito, yung TRU, ay, yung angle niya ay 12 degrees din. Yan, medyo magulo na yung drawing, pero yan siya. UTR, 12 degrees and 12 degrees. Now, ano tong kulang na to? Kagaya ng ginawa natin dito sa triangle na to, 180 minus yung sum nitong dalawa. So, 180 minus 24, that will equal to 156. So, yun na yung value of x. Okay. So, that's our SAT math problem for today. If you need more help in preparing for the SAT, Scholar ng Bayan is now offering SAT review courses. So, be sure to enroll if you're planning to take the SAT soon. Thank you!